Let me ask you a question. Why does investing feel so hard? Not just risky, not just confusing, but hard. Many people want to invest. They watch videos, they read posts, they even download investing apps, but they still don't start. And today, I want to explain why investing feels hard, and more importantly, why it actually isn't. By the end of this video, you'll understand what really makes investing feel difficult, why beginners overthink it, and how to simplify investing so you can start with confidence. This video is for beginners. No complex terms, no hype, just simple truth. Here's the first thing you must understand. Investing itself is not hard. What makes it feel hard is everything around it. Think about learning to drive. At first, too many rules, too many signs, fear of making mistakes. But once you learn the basics, driving becomes normal. Investing is the same. Most beginners don't fail because investing is complex. They fail because they are overloaded with information. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, options, dividends, charts, news. It's too much. So your brain says, let me wait. And waiting feels safe. But waiting is actually risky.